mensa be kumeso ma me pa cho be bo odin a kire yen na wa kire ade kra moye e wa ha
ye frame me mother na frame me me deputy magajia e wo Asumasi constituency Mata Nasara enti ya na ye ba na 63rd independence a yedi no Ghana yenso ye Nasara forma a yedi ho akodi ho akoti ne wa Asumasi constituency enti ye ba ha na ye ya ho odin ne ye bibia e beta independence Ghana yedi na woda enti ye de beta chire ama na ye fefefe enti mu hu ya ha na de enti aye ba ye no
yo ene ane amama kwa aba eba nya support TV so na mame me wasembisa ebi ede ma o aban akọ aban aba ebe efie be ediosia miensa ana 63 years ya o my Ghana efa ne hu edi ye na me bisa wo aban akọ aban aba aban ben ana ma pani ben ade aba ko pe ben a o na wa ya wo ama wo ho ato ade o sabe su bu se osimesi ana obenti ye we ebe efie ediosia miensa nie me ho ato me
eye no kure aban aba akọ 63 years nie na de mehu eye current one ye papa na ado de wo ye ni ye hu bi da e wo se de aba kọ no o ye bebre but de wo ye hu bi da free education one district one factory one constituency one ambulance so wo hwe ye ni a che even say wo call your friend say traffic light ye manyina ko school enti me eye me de enti so bi kasa no wo kire no kwa me pese ekomde me na wo tena me ba no odidi enti na na do de di twem pa enti wa ya ama na boroso enti so wo che the city wa de ani tie e na eta na ti because ade a wa ye no ye ni agi bebre enti na won koso nkosa
yeda wase Mata Nasara when you go to a support TV, I will Kumasi Sports Stadium. Me wa mama ba ko ha mpesa me na twetwe nkombo. Ma me kwa ba e ba nya support TV.
Yeah, nua sister. Yeah, nua.
Me pa cho within this say.
Me din di Gada Abdallah.
Me pa cho ya mama se kakra.
Pa cho.
Me pa cho ya dia na wo ye wa ha ne.
Me pa cho me ba se me ba beta 63rd anniversary into na me wa ha. Na Ghana nya 63 years into that was.
Yo, na mi busa wasem aban akọ aban aba efie diosia miensa munie ana 63 years munie aba ben ana president ben ade ba ko pe ben na waja wan kasa na ato wakoma so ma be kasa Ghana di mfie diosia miensa enso sa ade ba ko we die me ho ato me wo mai mu
aban aba akọ na say akufo adu aba yi die sister nya wa ba omu nyina ba omu aba ye ne omu betimi aya akọ na akufo adu die yi die edo oso ankasa wa ye bebre amaye free me dia ya me want free SHS nkuwa nti kura no entina me ta akufo adu ati
yo yeda wase so ne ya kasa wonya are watching your Support TV, and we are at the 63rd Independence Anniversary at the Kumasi Sports Stadium. I'm in the midst of some students, and I would like to talk to one or two of them. You're welcome to your Support TV.
Thank you.
You tell us your name and the name of your school.
Okay, I am Boatin Sewa Blessing, a student of Konedi Adam Kaleke SHS.
Why are you here today?
We are here to experience the 63rd Independence Anniversary of this country, that is Ghana.
All right. So you tell me, what's your impression about the Independence Day celebration being held in Kumasi for the very first time?
Well, it's pretty cool. It's nice for it to be held here, and it will be a historical, like it will be a history. Yeah, it will be history. Because from the beginning of, like, due to what we just seen, it means everything will be cool. Yeah, so I'm very happy.
So would you want it to be held here in the near future?
Every year, every year.
You would wish it was held here every year?
Every year.
Thank you very much. What do you have to add? Tell us your name.
All right, I'm also Emmanuel from the same school. You know, it's one thing, very glad, and we are all appreciative for the efforts of the president being able to move this independence celebration across the regional capitals. It's one thing, we are all glad, and we know how the president of the republic loves to be in Ashanti region because it's his own stronghold. We are very glad that it's been held here, and we hope that in the near future it shall always be held here.
Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity to inform you that the Ghana Education Service is undergoing a number of reforms to strengthen its mandate of providing access to quality and equitable. Honorable Dr. Matthew Okoku-Bante, indeed, he is an inspiration and passionate about transforming Ghana's education to meet world-class standards. On this day, the Ghana Education Service appreciates your immense leadership. Honorable Dr. Matthew Okoku-Bante, Ghana Education Service is grateful for your immense leadership.
So, the 63rd Independence Day celebration. Kumasi Sports Stadium. Me pacho me nya me mami bi osiesie ne ho fefefe ha a me pese me ne twetwe nkomo. Mama mpacho wo bebo odi a che.
Ye frɛ me ma fosti.
Ma fosti mpacho de na do ba ha ne.
Oh, ena anigye fefe ne 6 March nti ena mba ha.
Yo man pacho mi busa wo 6 March ye dia ene ne de edi kan ye dia be Kumasi. Wadwen kire wo se wo.
Oh. Aya be ne je ya me fe because ebi ma Kumasi hada. Nti ene ne first year sa 6 March aba ha. Nti aya me ne je pa.
Yo ma ani ampacho mi bisa wo Ghana enya mfie aduosia miensa. Aban akọ, aban aba. Na mpese mi bisa wo say aban ben ene ba ya na de krope bi a wa ya. Wo ato akoma so amu ani agi se wo ye Ghana ni ba mapa.
Me da se. Aban kọ aban ba. Ba aban akọ aba. Yenia ya papa ajekum kofo. Ene yenia ya papa akufu ado. Woma ban ade a woma beye oman Ghana nti ena eye me fe anase mani so sa MPP aban no
Me pa chode na omo ye ba kon ye wani kan bobodi a kire.
Oh wa ma school feeding ana SS free aba nti ene de me ba ekobi nti mani aso
Yo ma ye da wase se wanya bre na woni ya kasa. Support TV sunie menya dondo fo ha omokro ewo 63rd Indepence anniversary celebration na say ewo Kumasi stadium abonte so me pese me ni omo be twetwe nkomo kakra Baba ye frau say
ye frau me Idris Abdullahi
Baba Idris Abdullahi dia na wo ye wo ha ne
ye hu ya no ye nyije pa
etina mo so mo ba be bo ma be
ye hu Yahubida, this is year way nana my yaji pa.
Yo, when you go so watching your Support TV, I was 63rd Indepence anniversary. I will Kumasi about it. So, many papa be wa me person me train komo. Papa, pacho be boni a chere.
Oh, me pacho from me Patrick Owusu. Me so me tunyuma MPP. Nde dwumadie kase nti ena mfim kan maba ase o me ba yenso so no me ba yenso me hu se dwumadie na ekoso pa o Kumasi fo ma yade because 6 match o ma ye nyina no Kumasi fo am me hu sampa 6 match we die o ma sum eni age pa
ye dia na obeka che o my Ghana fo
o de kakra metima ka che o my Ghana say said the Omasia I saw 6 match no. Every time bia 6 match bedu bia no. Yam fie ho any journey ahosepe no emfenwuram. Oma ya dem bogana fo nyina abaso. Me so menwum ne de obi ani me sanse ma ya MPP nwuma che. So na nanse me be pray e be da dem be 1 year 7 months ni. Afa ni me nan ne mu bum ye no pay mi. Me nya boafo mfiri ba bia. Ti me sre me party mpanyifo say said them what party no do baby ebeko bia no menya adaje edi o machi no omomwa me
yo ene na me bisa wo say aban akọ aban aba mfie de osia miensa mu ni dia be na aban bia ya ma wawo wani aso asem ade ba akopẹ
me de in fact amamu no obi an ho a obetimi edi bibia be hye obotom so what you say but MPP omuba aban mu a sabi imperials and omutimi ja policy bi to oman ho onwore emfa no say omampanyin kofo ba yi yan tehwe kura no akura bia na ma asema ho kan ne me fan say health insurance so eno no policy ba ko a Ghana ha no obia ni me say health insurance na na do so ba no so no sabi o de otimi dia ba ma oman obia kan da akura bia no free senior high school Sunday,
yo, me da sisa onya abre ene ye kasai.